Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So in our previous video, we have shown you uh, the table updation. In the employee master table was updated and the formula was encoded in the VBA so that it remains consistent throughout the rows of the any table, right? So we have further we have ideas to further make the enhancement, and it should be automated, and the program should itself make sure that the formulas which are in the top row of the table are consistently copied down, and they are consistent, right? So let's create a new version. I want to show you how you do this. Okay, so far we have 120 lessons. So let's make a new version, right? So this is a new version now. This is the copy, fair enough. So we will make it 121, lesson number 121, and this will become 6. Okay, simple as that. Now, let's close any file which is already open. Let's close Excel and close any version which is left open. Okay. So we are loading lesson 121, the part 6, in which we are describing the employee master table and adding a new record in the table in an employee master table. So many things have been shown to you. We have learned many things regarding the data table and the formulas and how to write the formulas in the table and copy and how to copy these formulas into the code, right? So what would happen if in future you add a new column, right, and writes some new formulas in any of the columns of the table? So it would be better that the system itself takes any new formula which is written in here and which is written in the top row, and system detects it, and it automatically copy it, make sure that it exists all over the table rows, right? Automatically. You don't have to again and again take the property. So whatever we are doing here, this is going to be utilized in all our future enhancements for inventory, for example, for products and purchase order, etc., etc. So there will be tables used in that, and any formula which we want to amend, we just amend it, and system adapts it automatically. You shouldn't have any necessity to take that formula into the code and so on. So why not? The system does this job automatically. Okay. So how to do this? Let's go to the code, and for this we have written a procedure in the module 1. This is a formula refresh. Okay, and this is a parameter which will contain the table name in it, right? The table name, as soon as it comes, the system will use the go to command to go to that table name. Whenever we use a go to command, it is like this, you select here and you say go to employee master. So this is the go to command, right? It goes to the table, and not only it goes to there, but it selects the whole boundary of it, and you don't have to select it again. Okay, so whenever you go to some other table from here, you can go there, and you can come back like this. So it not only it takes you to that table, but also the entire range of the object is also selected. Okay, so this is the first thing. The first thing in this procedure is that to go to the table with which it is called. Okay, so how to call this procedure, we will show you later. Okay, once the table name with which it is this procedure was called, it is received. So the system goes to that table, and it finds out that how many columns are there. Of course, different tables will have different number of columns, and how many rows are there. Row X, that's different tables will have different number of rows. Okay, so This way, it is determined what rows and columns counts are there, and what is the last cell address row. Okay, so this is required in order to write the formula until this. For example, T2 was the first row. The first row was 2, right? Okay, this is for sure. But the last row, this will provide the last row. So the T, say 13 or 14, will be like this. Okay. So it has selected the entire range. It will select the entire range of your table column, which you are in the formula form. Okay, T2 till what? It is T11. Okay, so this is how the 10 rows are selected. Okay, so in the code, what we are doing this way, that first of all, for each selection, it is taking a for next loop going each and every cell. And if the cell row is 2, then it is going to check if the leftmost character of the formula is equal to, it means it is a formula. The check is equal to first character from the left of the selected cell. Right? If it is equal to sign, that means this is the formula which should be extended to all the rows below. So this is how it is taking all the rows into it is copying it and without mentioning any sheet name. So this is going to work for all the tables. You see, there's no emp, although the sheet name is emp, but no emp is written in here. No table name is whatever will be the table name. This logic is going to be utilized to copy the formula in the first row down the line until the last row. Copy the formula in the first row in the UCA. It is going to be copied with that until down the line until the last row. So, and this is going to work for all the tables which we may be using during our system development. So let's go back here and run it. Right. For example, we want to make sure that we want to add for example, we want to edit something. Okay, let's put an X here. Yeah, we have made the changes. Okay, so we will see that this thing is done. Yeah, yes. So we can go and see that it is going to appear there. Okay, if you go to there, you will see there is an X in there. Okay, so yeah. Now if we do the double click here and we remove this X in here, say we remove this, right? And we update it. We say okay, okay, and we close it. Yeah, and you will see that the X is removed. Yeah, X is removed, right? So and the formulas are also extended during this. Means this process of editing makes sure that all the formulas of the given table are copied below down the line. Okay, and we can close it from here, and we can see that the formulas are there. Let's see that, for example, we remove these formulas, or somebody comes and removes these formulas. Okay, and if we run this program again and we say, you see that the employee name is written there, right? So it has put the formula automatically, and it is the removing was undone by the system. If you close it, and you see that the employee names which we removed, they came back because the top one row which was having the formula that is repeated by the system automatically. So this way you can improve the integrity of the system and safeguard your system from any by mistake. If somebody removes the formula, so the system automatically makes sure that. And this is why it is made easy due to the use of table, because the table, it's the feature of the Excel table that when you write a formula in one cell, in on the top cell, So these are replicated downwards until the last row, right? Okay. So I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.